So hi guys, it's Ebeb&Charlie's vlogs. So for today's trip, we are going to Baler. It's part of Luzon area in the north, and it's our first time going there, and we are so excited. So it's a 5 hour trip going to Baler from Clark area, and we are about to see a lot of nice scenery going there. So road trip to the moon and back. Skr brum brum taani guys. And I'm with Charlie's teammates, workmates from Manila, and yeah, naki-join ako guys. And now we are in our first stop, the Balete tree. It is the oldest, I think 600 years old tree, the oldest one in the Philippines. So yep, so dito sa may mag-chill daw. So mga buko-buko and durian, there's a lot of buko-buko duri. So tanaw si Charlie nag-swing fail kaayo. So, isa kayo ang ilang buko juice na pare-parehara mabuto ng buko juice actually. Pero sa nindot sa lugar, like bugno kayo, and then medyo init-init lang, medyo di inom buko juice. So, kana ang mga naw sa buko juice, joke lang. So, we're about to have our lunch here in Jerry's John's place. Highly recommended siya guys. It's 250 per head. So sulit na kaayo ay muhang lunch na rin, no? Na seafoods o mga delicious foods na. So now we are here in Palaya Azul, where we're going to stay for another day, a night. And here is Baler Beach, Aurora. So yep, we're about to go up in our room na. So this is the place, by the way guys. So, mo na niya among room, 2 beds. So, tagsami ni Charlie para walay sikit-sikitay tani. And also, the bathroom. So, they have a shower area also. That's nice. And then they also have this emergency tips and some hotel policies to be followed. So yep, and this is our room. Sobra ka spacious.
Charlie. Smile. Charlie.
Good for 4 pala to. Good for 4. May dalawa pa? Ito?
So we're planning to go down to stroll around for a while, like walking along the beach. So join us guys. And that's for our one-day trip going to Baler. So, magpahuway sa atin guys. And see you tomorrow. We'll have our surfing activities. And I thank you.